Well, Alex has definitely arrived.
And he is a strong Category 1 hurricane. You know, this is the first hurricane that's formed anywhere in the Atlantic Basin in the month of June since 1995.
Oh, wow.
So we're off to an early start. Maybe the predictions of this being a really terrible hurricane season are on track. We will see. But there's Hurricane Alex. He is only hours from landfall now on the northeast coast of Mexico. Boy, that's a beautiful presentation of that storm. That is the visible satellite imagery from space that you're looking at right there, and you can clearly see the eye that developed on that storm this afternoon. The storm northeast of La Pesca, Mexico. It's going to hit a fairly rural area there on the northeast shore of Mexico. It's about 100 miles southeast of Brownsville. Let's go to the Viper radar here, and we'll take a look at this storm in the radar display. You were looking at just purely the clouds a minute ago as seen from space. Now we're seeing where the rain bands are from radars on the ground, and you can see the tight circulation with the center of that hurricane and the eye wall surrounding it, where likely the most damage will be done there in northeastern Mexico. Fortunately, the peak hurricane winds are going to stay south of Brownsville. Now, this is a large hurricane, and so the tropical storm force winds are going to be felt almost up to Corpus Christi, 200 miles away. Torrential rainfall in Brownsville right now, flooding reported in the city. Tornadoes are touching down right and left there in Cameron County. The Harlingen Airport has been under tornado warning at least 3 different times that I've seen today. And look at the massive circulation associated with this large hurricane. I mean, we have rain bands now associated with the outer fringes of the hurricane circulation as far north as Austin. Even those up in Waco and Dallas can be attributed to the motion surrounding that large circulation with Hurricane Alex at the present time. All right, let's zoom in a little bit on our local area on our storm profiler radar. We're seeing a break in the rain right now, as you can see, in and around the Austin area. The rain band that moved through Austin a little earlier with some heavy downpours already out in Llano and Gillespie County only dropped about a ½ an inch of rain here around most of Austin, and some the next rain band with only light rain associated with it right now sending some rain down into parts of Fayette County. Well, here another look at the very large hurricane as it approaches the northeast Texas coast and sends the rain bands into our area. This light orange area there, those are the tropical storm force winds, again, stretching 200 miles out from the center. There are the coordinates of the storm, winds gusting now to 115 miles per hour. If this thing gains 5 more miles per hour in maximum sustained winds, it'll be a Category 2 right as it makes landfall. Movement now to the west at 11 miles per hour, so it will make landfall between now and about 8 o'clock tonight. It will then quickly weaken to a tropical storm and then a tropical depression as it spreads across the higher terrain there of Mexico. But the remnant circulation not going to come up here into our area at all. However, because of the slow movement, we will continue to see the circulation of the outer edges of the storm bring us more and more rainfall over the next couple of days. Our computer model generates a lot more in the area tomorrow and a pretty good coverage of rain again on Friday, and there's still going to be a lot of moisture in place. We may continue to see rain even Saturday, the 3rd of July. Probably less over the 4th, but a slight chance, even 4th, 5th of July and beyond. You'll see that here in the 7-day forecast. There are your current temperatures. It's rain-cooled. It's nice out there at least, thanks to the area tropical showers. There are your current winds, and the pollen count today, real high mold, over 10,000, one of the counts. Temperatures in the 80s right now, lows in the 70s tonight, highs only in the 80s again tomorrow thanks to the rain. All right, scattered showers tonight, decreasing after sunset, but then increasing again tomorrow with high temperatures again remaining in the 80s. Again, high rain chances tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. I know many of you will be picnicking. You'll be out at the lake. There is about a 50-50 chance, the way it looks now, that you could see some passing rain showers. Not going to rain all day. The same thing on the 4th of July, and then on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we still have some slight rain chances as temperatures heat back up.
Still slippery.